Yeah.
Bitch, I'm in it. Bitch, I'm in it. Bitch, I'm in it. All my niggas with me, they gon' bust it to the finish. Bitch, I'm in it. Bitch, I'm in it. Free my motherfucking dog that minute. Bitch, I'm in it. I win it. Bitch, I'm at the finish. Set your neck and ain't no tenting, motherfucker. I'm just sitting with a big 223. Aiming at your fucking tennis. Bitch, I'm in your house. I'm coming through your fucking chimney like Santa. Bitch, I be in your baby pamper. Nigga, let me get anything I wanna handle for ransom. Nigga, take your whole fucking family. I want $1 million, all your whole fucking family gon' get this too. Put them on the news. All my niggas by that murking, all you could get blues. Man, I'm falling off this bitch, but let me grab my two and when I up this bitch, this ain't no motherfucking 22 big scope. Kicking through your door with a steel toe. That'll go through your throat. Man, I'm cut throat until that meat so. So nigga play them games and I'ma pull a Debo. Yeah.
Yeah.
We gonna pull a Debo. Nigga know me, I straight in fucking beast mode. I don't give a fuck, I straight pop it through the people. That's a motherfucking scope. Yeah, bitch, I see you though. I'm coming for you. I got a big stomach. Yeah, I got a big doc from you. Nigga, hold on, I'm falling off it, but I gotta get it on it. Nigga, know what it is. Nigga, I ain't playing no more. I gotta fucking say the shit, bitch, cause I'm in it. But a nigga try to test me, nigga, you gon' fucking get it. Nigga, got some fucking choppers, got some fucking glocks, nigga. What the fuck you want, nigga? Fucking call the cops, nigga. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I'm one deep, nigga. I'm a one-man army, nigga. You can come up on me, nigga. I got a fucking AK ready to spray, homie. You try to play with me, you gon' fucking be made, homie. D-A-E-D, nigga, what the fuck, I'm falling off this beat, but I don't even know what to call it. Drape my hair, nigga, so I can't start balling. Shake a nigga up, man, now that whole fucking falling. Yeah, I said I'm just getting started. Nigga already know what it is. I got to go to the fucking party. Fucking 45, nigga, man, I want my 40. Yeah, bitch, I'm about to get this shit. It's up there. Nigga know what it is. Bitch, you fucking scared. Nigga, play with me. Bitch, you gon' be dead. Hold up. I said, is you by that? I see your girl. She laying in my bed. I said, bitch, is you by that? Hold on. I'm gonna expose one or maybe 4. Bitch, you already know that's just how I go. I fuck you, then I go. Get another hoe and I smash it, then I be like, whoa, bitch, do I know you? Hold on, you say you got a nigga, but you still fucking with me? Hold up, don't even know what that fucking shit is. Yeah, bitch, you fuck with my nigga. You think that ain't my nigga, but I ain't saying shit, cause you send me pictures.
Send me pictures. Yeah, I'm talking naked pictures. All them fucking ass and titties. Big ass titties all on my screen. I ain't fucking with it. Bitch, keep it moving. Got an old lady, keep it sticking. Like a stiff arm. Nigga going strong arm. I kill a nigga on the muscle. That's just one arm. Nigga play them games. I have you on my nigga like fucking tongue. Yeah. And that boy about to ring along like Beyonce. But bitch, all about the payday. So if I'm on the highway with that chopper, bitch, I might spray out the window, on the endo. Me and my fucking kinfolk. I don't give a damn old school in Nintendo. Yeah. Bitch, I fell right off. I'ma get back on like I never fell off. So if you play them games, I will come at you real hard. And my niggas pushing weed, got that hard, got that soft. Why you want it, nigga? Show me my opponent, nigga. I'm a motherfucking monkey, nigga. You junkie, nigga. Yeah, you's a motherfucking flunky, nigga. I do you wrong like Charlton, nigga.
Bonker, nigga.